Right, let's test out this microwave toastie maker. Can it really make a crispy, yummy, toasted toastie in the microwave? Yes, hot pink. Not my favourite colour, but the only one left. Generously butter the outside. Oops, can't do that while I'm filming. Place in the microwave toastie container, face down. Oh, a big size too, because these are big bits of bread. I have my, oops, make it the right way around. I have my helper. Generous amount of tomato. A little bit of red onion to taste. Then some cheese. Right, there we go. Cheese, ham, and my helper. Coco, good gal. Got to cook it now. Let's see if I've been a little bit over generous or if we can still shut that lid. It's locked and loaded. See if we can get it into the microwave and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't zap because it's not fully shut. We'll see. 2.5 minutes. And go. Go, little toasty machine. Oh, it's exciting. Hope everyone's excited as I am. Won't be long, dog. Won't be long. While we're waiting, might as well grind some coffee. Smelling good. Fingers crossed. Ooh, it's sizzling. Smells like a toasted sandwich. Listen to that. Oh my god. Oh, yep, smells good. Okay, let's open it. Ready, girls and boys? Come on, let's work. Ooh, it looks pretty good. Probably could have done with a little bit longer, but I'm hungry. Oh my god, look at that, sizzling out of the microwave, crispy as. Okay, let's eat. Oh, the other side's even better. Looks good, doesn't it, dog? Okay, let's test it out. So good. Microwave toastie. Tick.